I needed to get this hair did, so I'm taking out along with me. Okay? The girl still look good, looking like a 70s and 80s soul trade dancer, but come on. Hey y'all, thank you guys for tuning in to my vlog. I know it's been a while since I posted my little mini vlog, but I don't really do much, so I'm like, I don't want to like record and I'm not doing anything. It's kind of weird. Well, to me it is, but your girl will be back outside more, so definitely tune into my vlog. I will be back with readings and stuff, but I missed you guys, and I'm like, let me drop some content instead of it just sitting in my phone. I hope you guys had a lovely weekend as I did. Your girl done got her hair, nails, toes, eyebrows done. I got me some new sneakers, a new pair of AirPods. You know, I went out to eat. I went to go see that movie, Just Another Day. And to be honest, one of them days with Keke Palmer and SZA, and to be honest, it was okay. It was not movie theater vibes. It was definitely Netflix and chill at your crib vibes. Do whatever vice that you like, whether it's smoking, drinking, or being sober. But it was really chill, funny. Go and see it. I would rate it as like a 8.5 out of 10. SZA would do well in the acting, and her body is T. I know my body's T too, but damn, that surgeon went very well on her body. Give me her surgeon number. Shit, get rid of my stomach. I'm tired of it coming back. But this is me getting my crunchy ass hair did. It was so damaged. My ends were really, really, really bad. So I cut about 5 inches off. My hair has fell out. I'm not bald headed. At one point it was on my shoulders and my back. But like I said, it fell out. But enjoy the rest of the quiet vlog. I just came here to tell you guys I missed you. And I hope you had a blissful weekend and winter is treating you well. You'll see more of me come March and April and so forth. We have so much catching up to do. And thank you to all my supporters who constantly tap in. Okay, I love you guys. Bye.
They did a good job. I'm out here looking like somebody mama, cause I am. But yo, my hair was crunchy, like split ends. It just wasn't looking how it used to 2 years ago. So I'm happy that I got it back. I'm gonna get it washed and blown out right before my fashion show. So I'm coming back to Norton on the 18th for all of that. I found people that's gonna cut my hair when I go bald in March, but I'm excited. I'm happy with the results. It's giving. You see the glow?